Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about common problems in communicating and how to communicate more effectively with others. Communication apprehension is anxiety caused by having to talk with others, and while some people experience this in all situations, most people only experience it when in large groups. There are 4 typical responses by someone who is apprehensive about communicating. First, there's avoidance, or choosing to not participate. Second is withdrawal, which is clamming up or saying as little as possible. Third is disruption, which is the inability to engage in appropriate verbal and nonverbal behavior. And fourth is overcommunication, which is much less common but occurs when someone attempts to dominate the situation and talks nonstop. A powerful tool in reducing anxiety of any kind is imagery, which is the ability to imagine yourself in a situation before it occurs. For example, if a student is worried about giving their final presentation in class, they might practice running through it in their head as if they were in the classroom in front of their peers, so when it's time to give the presentation, it's as if they've already done it. There are several barriers to effective communication, including defensiveness, an excessive concern with protecting oneself from being hurt. Ambushing is when people listen carefully and intently, but for the purpose of attacking the other person. Pseudo-listening, or pretending to listen when the mind is preoccupied, and interpersonal barriers, which can include rituals or meaningless repetitive routines that don't go beyond the surface level of communication. Lots of people get nervous about communicating with others, but luckily there are strategies to help overcome these nerves and improve communication. In conversation, the golden rule is to give to others what you would like to receive from them. You should be focused on the other person and what they're saying rather than how you look or what you're going to say next. Effective listening is a mindful activity that is crucial to communicating with others. We should hear the content and feelings of what the other person is saying, think about the meaning of what they're saying, and focus our full attention on the other person. Here are some tips to improve interpersonal skills and communication. Make communication a priority by taking time to learn about communicating more confidently. Be open with the people you're talking to by inviting their opinions and asking them questions to help them feel engaged. Although finishing someone else's sentences may show that you understand, it also shows them that what they're saying isn't worth listening to. Be respectful of others' thoughts and opinions. You won't agree with everyone, and that's okay, but you should sincerely care about the needs and perspectives of the people you're speaking to. Studies show that 65% of communication is nonverbal. Listening actively by clarifying and paraphrasing shows that you've listened and you understand, and eye contact demonstrates that you care. Whole body listening also includes using your brain, ears, back, hands, feet, and your heart. You can show that you're interested with your body language, and it's beneficial to pay attention to the other person's as well. Lastly, practice makes perfect. Implementing these strategies in daily life can help you to become more comfortable and confident in more situations.